The world is changing faster than ever before, with a new era of mobility already upon us. Following the promising future of electrification demonstrated by the Ioniq lineup, we at Hyundai continue to ask ourselves, what new things will we get to see and feel? What new world lies before us? What values can we instill? And so we present to you the Upscaled Multiplayer, in efforts to democratize electric mobility and enable a richer, more vibrant life for all of humanity. We designed the KONA with an EV-first approach, starting with the electric model before implementing the bold framework onto the rest of the lineup. Sporting an upscaled, iconic form. More convenience. Bigger space. We've upscaled our versatility to be inclusive to all lifestyles. And now, enjoy a more fulfilling life charged with diverse, good vibes, with none other than KONA, the ultimate multiplayer.
Oh hey, I'm Riley. I may be an IT nerd at work, but I also keep myself busy with all sorts of hobbies you wouldn't expect. Like right now, I'm heading out to try a new activity. Ready to see my new obsession? Kite surfing. I'm living my most vibrant life, thanks to KONA.
How's it going? I'm Jason. Welcome to my restaurant. My baby for the last 27 years. Guess that tells you how old I am, huh? But I'm still young and hip at heart. Looks like it's time. Let me show you my secret parking recipe. I live doing what I love. From detail-required activities like cooking to bold hobbies like climbing. Just like Kona.
Who's that sign on such a gorgeous day? It's Amber, the fashion editor.
I'm so screwed for this deadline. Move with the vibe.
Need some time, yeah. It's feeling like a story, you know the type, yeah. One that ends in mystery, yeah. I'm ready to get this started. Let's give it a go.
Great idea. Maybe the vibes out there are different.
Once in a lifetime, stars are aligned and I can't get you out of my mind. Still on the sideline, waiting for you to come and shine. Come on and show me now.
Oh, got something.
Let's bring it up to no one up there so we can all make it through the crazy. Come on and show me now. Let's do it again.
Whether it's the city or the suburbs, I feel like my articles write themselves when I drive.
Upscale your everyday life. Experience Kona, the upscaled multiplayer to live a life of vibrantly diverse moments, following your own vibes. Move with the vibe. Kona. We still have more multiplayers to show you. A player equipped with 2 hearts to pump your ride. A player exuding sporty charisma. And a player that stays true to the basics. Watch how the upscaled multiplayer Kona can upscale your life. What's your vibe?